In the Sections tab of your theme customizer, there's an option to add a block to a section or add in a new section. On this page here, we'll add the star rating under the product title, which is here. And to do that, we'll click on Add Block in that product information section, and then scroll down to Apps and find the widget we want to add, which is the star rating. So that's been added to the bottom here, but we can drag that up to under the product title. And then next, we'll add in the reviews widget as a new section. Again, click on Add Section, and then find the widget we want to add in, which is the reviews widget. That's been added here, and we'll move that above the product recommendation. And then when you're happy with that, you can click Save. So following these steps, we can add the widgets to any section of the page. And this concludes how to install Okendo widgets on your Shopify Online Store 2.0 theme.